Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers cheap, Greenfield, local, and long distance movers near me. If you're looking to take the stress out of your move, our experienced movers can make your long distance move easier. Regardless of how far you need to relocate, our professional team of movers can make it a lot simpler. Relocating isn't simple. However, using the best moving services can certainly make it a lot simpler. As well as loading, transportation, and unloading, our team also offers many other moving services, including packing and unpacking, supplying packing materials, and transparent pricing. It might not be simple to justify the cost of hiring a California moving company. A local moving company supplies many benefits, which can make it well worth the cost. The time savings you get can easily make using the services of a moving company among the best decisions you've made. You also get to minimize the heavy lifting, which means no risk of injury. When you choose our movers, you receive experts ready to make your local move extremely simple. Moving day becomes easier with 3 Movers since we simplify your entire move. We can easily complete even the biggest moves in just a couple of hours. In addition to local and long distance moving, our Greenfield moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.